In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete columns in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for, so you remove the right column without affecting the rest of your setup. Start by opening the specific project or list where the column lives. Deletions happen at the level you're viewing, so make sure you're in the correct list or view before you continue. If you manage multiple workspaces or lists, double check the name at the top so you don't remove a field from the wrong place. Next, click the plus button in your column header area. In ClickUp, columns in list view are typically custom fields. If you don't already have one to practice with, you can quickly add a sample column now. When the menu opens, choose the option labeled Add Important Context to any item in just one line. This is the single line text custom field, which is perfect for a quick demo and behaves like any other column you might remove. Give the field any name you like. This label is what you'll see at the top of the column. Naming it clearly helps you confirm you're deleting the right one in a moment. Once you create it, the column will appear instantly across the tasks in your current list or view. Now click the column header itself to open its options. This is where you manage settings for that specific field. If you're in the right place, you'll see actions related to that field, including visibility, formatting, and removal. Choose Delete Field. Before you confirm, pause for a second and consider the scope. Deleting a custom field removes the data stored in that field for the items in this list or anywhere that field is applied within the same scope. If the field is used across multiple views of the same list, those values will be removed there too. If you only want to hide the column temporarily, you can close out and use View Settings to hide it instead. But if you're sure you want it gone, continue. Click Delete to confirm. The column and all values in that field are now removed. This action is typically irreversible, so it's a good idea to make sure no one else on your team needs that data. If you're uncertain, take a quick screenshot or export your tasks before deleting, especially for fields with important notes or numbers. That's it. You navigated to your list, identified the column, and deleted the field with a clean confirmation. If you don't see the delete option, you might not have permission to modify custom fields, so reach out to your workspace admin. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in ClickUp.